Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of DeLorean Tech, and this is going to be episode 1.5 of Break Time. So in our first episode, we unboxed Josh Shattenkirk of lsdelorean's Performance Brake Conversion Kit for the DeLorean. But there's a couple of other things you're going to need to buy in order to make this happen. So in addition to the conversion kit, you're also going to need to pick up Flyin Miata's Little Big Brake Kit, as well as a pair of the 10-inch vented rotors. So we're going to unbox both of those today. We're going to show you exactly what you need for the entire installation, and then in episode 2 we're going to show you how to install it from start to finish. So the installation video has been taking a little bit of time. We just wanted to make sure that this was right for the DeLorean. So without further ado, let's get started.
Okay, so here's the unboxing video for the Flyin Miata Little Big Brake Kit. So you get a sticker, pretty cool. These are the caliper adapters for the kit. There's a left and a right side, so a driver and a passenger side. It does come with some brake lines, but we won't be using these. We'll actually be using the ones that Josh provided. The Wilwood brake pads. And the Wilwood calipers themselves right here. Look at those. These are the 4-piston. Now the kit doesn't actually come with the rotors. You have to buy those separately. I think we actually misspoke in our unboxing video of the conversion kit. So you'll have to buy those separately. And alright, so it also comes with a hardware kit as well. So we'll have to go through that and see what we need for the conversion kit.
So as far as the rotors go, Josh recommended EBC Brakes model GD799. These are vented 10-inch rotors that are slotted and dimpled. The dimpled pattern has a higher stress handling capacity. They're also black anodized for superior corrosion protection. There is a left and a right side to these rotors, and they can be had for about $100 a pair. We'll drop a link in the description on where you can purchase these. They're pretty easy to find. And these are the ones that you need for the kit. So here is what the completed installation looks like. So this includes the lsdelorean conversion kit, along with the Flyin Miata Little Big Brake Kit and the 10-inch vented rotors. So as you can see, this looks really cool. Alright everybody, that's the video. Stay tuned for part 2 of Break Time, where we show you how to install the kit from start to finish. We'll also drop a link down in the description on how to purchase the Flyin Miata Little Big Brake Kit, as well as the 10-inch vented rotors that Josh Shattenkirk recommended. And once again, thanks for watching.